Horizontal tabs. Using tabbed pages provides interactivity for the user. It also divides content into user-friendly segments and gives course pages a stylish, modern, website-like appearance. To add horizontal tabs to a page, click on the Horizontal Tabs button on the Assets menu. Always save your work. This loads two horizontal tabs with the option to add an image to both. To add an image, click on the Image tab button in the Edit menu. This gives you the option to load a new file or select from an image already in the menu. You can title your tabs by highlighting the default heading text and either typing or pasting in new text. Right-clicking on the highlighted text allows you to paste plain text. You can add text only to a tab by clicking on the Text tab button in the Edit menu. This automatically loads placeholder text. To change the text, highlight it and type or paste in new text. You can highlight text by triple-clicking on it or by clicking and dragging the cursor over the text. There's a maximum of approximately 250 words of text allowed in a horizontal tab before it spills below the red line. Having text below the red line is not recommended for two reasons. A, it's probably too much text to read on one page, and B, the user will probably have to use a scroll bar to read it. This will be an inconvenience for some people. You can add a new tab by clicking in a header and then clicking the Include Tabs button in the Edit menu. You can insert an image and text in a tab by clicking on the Image Text tab button in the Edit menu. You can remove a tab by clicking in the header and then clicking the Remove Tabs button in the Edit menu. You can add audio to a tab by clicking on the Audio button in the Edit menu. This allows you to add a new audio file in MP3 format or load an existing file from the menu. You can make text bold, italic, underlined, superscript, and subscript by using the buttons in the Edit menu. You can resize the asset by hovering the cursor over the right-hand boundary. This changes the cursor into a resize tool. To make the asset smaller, left-click and drag the boundary. Preview the page by clicking on the Preview button in the Page Editor. Always remember to click in the heading at the far left and press Save before you preview. This ensures that the first tab will appear first in preview mode and when the course is published. This concludes the video tutorial on using horizontal tabs.